Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Farah and it's been a while. Like ko sinasabi to kasi medyo natatagalan ako bago ako gumawa ng bagong video, no? Kasi medyo busy po tayo, but I hope everyone is doing well. And I just want to share something that I've been seeing and noticing for quite some time already. So there's a lot of people sometimes commenting, no? I don't really read comments. I'll be honest, I don't really read comments whenever I post something. So, minsan lang talaga pag napadaan tayo, dun mababasa natin. So, may mga nagtatanong lagi like, anong opinion mo for this one and for sa sinabi niyang ganto, ganyan. And I'm always saying like, I cannot comment on something that I am not familiar with. For example, they're asking about some issues or may gumawa ng ganito, ng ganyan, and then medyo magba-viral siya and they will ask for my opinion about it. The reason I am not answering is actually na-mention ko siya earlier, I was live. The reason is it's not my business, none of my business. And for me kasi hindi talaga ako pala comment, no? Minsan sinasarili ko na lang. Pag may napansin ako, sarilihin ko na lang yon. And for me, like, meron din ako nakikita, like, they are stitching, no? Stitch ba yung tawag doon? Yung halimbawa may video, halimbawa, video ko, tapos isi-stitch nila, tapos may mga reaction sila, no? So, sa akin naman, ang maano ko doon is, the reason I am not doing those kind of contents is, para ako nang ginudge din yung tao, especially if hindi naman maganda yung sasabihin ko. And I don't want to use my platform or my social media accounts to spread negativity or hate. It's okay to correct someone, but I'm always saying it's better to correct them privately. No? Hindi na kailangan i-comment pa natin or gumawa pa tayo ng video that will make them bad sa tingin ng ibang tao. So instead of doing that, it's better to message them privately and sasabihin, kasi pag sinabi yun, hindi ka naman papansinin. Andray naman ang labi ko. Hindi ka papansinin. So sa akin, bilang ikaw, kung ikaw ay talagang concern, nag-message ka in private, pansinin ka o hindi, ginawa mo yung part mo bilang concerned citizen. So, mas ma-appreciate ko yun. So, aside from that, correcting someone and shaming them publicly is also not good. So, bilang tao na lang po, no? Lagi kong sinasabi is we have to be respectful and we should treat each other equally. Like, kung ano man ang estado sa buhay ng bawat tao, we should treat each other like equally. Kasi yun yung natutunan ko sa lola ko, no? Laking lola po ako. So, lagi lang sinasabi ni nanay sa akin nung bata pa ako, lagi kang maging mapagkumbaba, maging mabait ka sa tao and wag kang masyadong judgmental. Honestly, ang social media sobrang laking niya parang naging powerful na siya. Pero sana yung mga tao na may platform at maraming followers instead of like pinapakilaman yung buhay ng iba, why not spread na lang positivity and learning, no? Yung may matutunan. Pero syempre hindi naman natin ma-please yan lahat. Kaya ako mismo sa akin sa social media ko is hanggat maaari, kung naka-follow po kayo, bihirang-bihira or I don't remember me posting negative, no? Di talaga ako pala post. Kung kahit maski dati nung ako po ay mas active pa sa halimbawa sa social media, like now kasi ang pinopost ko na lang is about work. I don't post anything like regarding my life. Yung private life ko, I don't post anything anymore. And I won't be even in the future. Inshallah, I won't. So, hanggat maaari, ginagamit ko siya to spread positivity and kung ano man yung alam ko and experiences ko, sinishare ko siya sa social media ko. And syempre yung modesty, yun ang sinishare ko ngayon. And ayun lang, gusto ko magpasalamat kasi there's a lot of people, they are messaging me, commenting that they are inspired with what I'm doing and with all the changes, alhamdulillah. And so yun lang, every time naman na ako ay may time at nakakausap nyo ako sa live. So I tried last night to do also live on TikTok. na meron akong mga guests and we are, listening with each other, like yung mga kanilang knowledge, nag-share din sila, and I am sharing what I learned as well. So, inshallah, I will do more videos like this. And I will share every time there's a new learnings and meron akong mapansin like mga ganyan. Siyempre, isi-share ko din po sa inyo. So, I hope everyone is doing well and ayun lang. Mas maging mas maging open yung mind natin and mas maging careful sa mga words natin. So, yun lang po na share ko lang today. So, thank you everybody. Masalam.